Emperor Faxon. That's a lie. Structure Doubt's 501 feet long, actually.
Oh yeah, when you drop me off today, drop me off here.
UND?
Yeah. Well, I don't know where I'm going just yet.
That's
but
where you want to go through?
Yeah. I was like, the detail window was much nicer. I thought they were doing construction here.
Yeah. There's cranes over there.
Oh yeah. Oh wait. Oh, we're on the north side. Okay.
Yeah, we're on the north side of the airport.
There it is. I wish this camera had zoom. Can you get a picture of this when it touches down? You can hear it squeal after it touches down. That's 7.6 over there. You know how to zoom in?
Yeah, I had zoomed in a little bit.
It's funny when the 767 is quieter than the MD-80.
Yeah, it is. It's got a higher bypass ratio. So it's going to be quieter.
Like you can already not hear it.
Tower deal.
I wonder where that plane's going. Viewing spot.
That's pretty sweet.
Oh, I love the Embraer. It does that really high-pitched landing.
Oh yeah.
Like, can you see over the nose when you do that? I mean, you should be able to.
A little bit. I mean, when you right before you touch down, you're pretty.
Like nose eye?
You're not nose. I mean, you can see the runway. You can't see like directly in front of you, but you can see like all the way out the runway.
Yeah, that's what you should be able to see. Because it looks like you're so nose high, you can't see shit.
No, you're not. Yeah, the way you sit in the cockpit, you can see down there.
right about DFW. I don't. Well, it must be good traffic time right now because they're not backed up. The airplanes are just.
Yeah, they're hardly even
going
back
through
up here.